I'm Troy McMullen. I'm the CIO for Allstates WorldCargo, and we are a freight forwarder. The challenges we were facing before using Cleo were mainly the EDI program that was built into our TMS. It had some customization features available, but it was very limited. And Cleo has allowed us to solve most of the problems we have with EDI translation. The problems Cleo has solved for us are EDI integration challenges we had previously, where we didn't have as much flexibility as we have with Cleo. And we also are able to onboard customers and vendors more quickly now. Cleo improves our ability to serve customers and vendors by giving us more visibility into the transactions that we trade back and forth with our customers and vendors. To another company that's considering Cleo for integration, I would say it's a great tool. It's definitely helped us. And being at this event has given me lots of ideas for things that Cleo can do in addition to what they're already doing to help us. The one word I would use to describe Cleo is versatile.